is the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message, information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. Locally, if there is a threat of severe weather, tests may be postponed until the next good weather day. It is requested for those with your test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert system was 91 degrees. And 4-hour low ending this morning was 72, producing a mean temperature of 82. The next month condition. Cloudy and windy.
Princeton State College, Pennsylvania. The tone
Area message encoding information about a watch or warning would follow. A watch or warning would follow. Tests of the systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 and 8.
threat of severe weather. The test may be postponed until the next day.